Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Amanda the Buzzed Artist, and today we got another challenge up in here! I'm going to attempt to paint Edvard Munch's famous painting, The Scream. And I'm going to do all of that while blindfolded! Bet you didn't see that coming. I got my colors. I'm going to be looking only at my color plate. I will not lay eyes on my canvas until the very, very end, or at least when I feel like it's done. So without much further ado, let's get painting! Alright, here we go. Okay, this is gonna be tough because I have no idea, like, in terms of spatial awareness where we are at. So, I'm gonna guesstimate it's like right around here. This is where the waves are. Letting it glide, baby, glide. Time. Am I painting like the easel? I'm pretty sure I'm painting the easel. That's fine. It could use a little color lift. Ah! Alright, this is definitely not easy. I'm already struggling hardcore with this. Okay, so this is the bottom. I think the water looked like it was starting off right around here. Guys, I have like literally zero clue as to like what's happening and where I am. Why am I doing this blindfolded, you may ask? Well, art is supposed to be a lot of fun. It's supposed to be an exploration of your senses. And you know what? It's just a way to force you to get out of your old way of thinking that you have to be perfect when you're painting. I mean, I'm sure this looks amazing right now. I'm sure. Ah, shoot, I lost my reference. I really have no clue whatsoever, you know, where I'm putting my blue, if what it's doing with the other colors. I'm just letting my colors dictate where it wants to take me. Alright. Oh boy. Yeah, spatial recognition right now is abysmal. I think I'm over here somewhere with the bridge, so I'm just gonna do that. So I'm gonna make that bridge. I'm gonna fill that part in. And I'm just feeling out. Literally, feeling it out won't do much for me, but I'm gonna make the spokes of the bridge. Spokes? Handrails? I don't know. I think the bridge started here, so I'm just gonna make a line. And then I'm gonna make the top part of the hand railing, which is gonna go there. That feels right. I'm just gonna accentuate that, so I'm gonna make a line down for the banister railing things. I think I got that part done. I'm thinking it's gonna be like some of the land masses are gonna be like right here, and maybe some over here. Yeah, that feels right. I'm just feeling like adding more blue in here, so I'm gonna go to the edges a little bit. Where is my edge? Is this my edge? Am I painting on something? Okay. I'm telling you, the level of trust that you're putting into yourself to actually do something like this and not see what you're doing, like, it's a little terrifying, I'm not going to lie to you. I'm blue, go ahead and make the actual head of our screaming man. Now, I have no idea whether my canvas is even dry enough to even take some of this stuff, but I'm going to rely on my intuition and say probably not, and I'm going to go ahead anyways. This kind of feels dry, so I'm going to use that. Okay, I'm going to do his face. So that's his face. Can you see his face? Good, because I can. I really have no idea. I feel like I'm painting a bean, or like a lima bean. So that's his head. All right. Then I'm gonna do the rest of his body. All right, where did I put my head? Is it here? Let's say you're over here. So he's gonna go all the way down, like so. Man, this is not easy. I'm having a bit of anxiety right now. I just feel like, you know, the need to be perfect right now is raging inside of me. But you know what? I have to keep on going. It's not about perfection, it's about having fun and just letting loose with acrylic paint. I think I got his body all pretty much set up and ready to go. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do his facial features. This is where it's gonna get very interesting because I have no idea where I put his head to begin with. I'm gonna say it's like right here. So I'm gonna dot, and a big ol' O, being like, oh shit, she's not looking what she's doing. Doesn't that look great? I'm like really afraid to see what this is gonna look like. There's two men that are kind of like popping up in the back here, just watching this monstrosity that is this painting. I think they're right around here somewhere, so I'm going to do like, I'm gonna paint a head and like some sort of semblance of, you know, a figure right over here. And then I'm going to do another guy right next to this one. I think he's over here. I feel like all these paints are just kind of mashing together because they're not all dry. But we'll see. There's some blue highlights in the bridge itself as well as in the sky. Alright, so up in here, up in the sky, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some blue streaks. And then I'm gonna go back to the bridge here. And I'm gonna add some blue streaks, just like so. I think it looks great. There's like a part of the bridge here that has like that banister. And then there's some like of that black over here. I'm literally going to freak out if this thing is like absolutely stunning. I think we're done and I'm ready to do the grand reveal. Pray for me. I don't know what this is going to look like, but here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. That is really interesting. Really impressed with this. I didn't think I would have this very good masterpiece right in front of me. I don't know if you can see this, but you like our little lima bean man. Yeah, his face is definitely just dismembered from his entire body, which is like right around here somewhere. The eyeballs and the mouth were pretty much on point, which I was very surprised. People right over here, you know, ghosts at this point because they don't really have a full body. They're just kind of like apparating right there. But my sky is pretty cool. My river is just kind of a waterfall river thing. I don't know. My bridge, I'm surprised about the railings that I actually got that. And yeah, I guess when I was trying to accentuate the railings, I completely missed. It was supposed to be up here. Very cool. So did you think I won this challenge? Please be sure to comment below and let me know. And if you like this video, please be sure to like it and to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button, you know what to do, so that you can see more fun challenges, tutorials, and just some general art motivation. And remember to always love yourself and to just have fun with acrylic paint. See y'all next time, everybody. Bye!